Hey everybody, Tom of High Pressure Pneumatics. Got Jeremy joining me today. He's getting fully healed up and back moving pretty good, so we're going to get him in more of these videos. Today we're going to discuss the Western Airguns Mordax Venom. This is in 30 cal. First one we brought in, we wanted to check it out. Really impressed with this little compact guy. Nice folding stock, make it a little bit more compact. Looking around, we got the backpack for it here. It comes in the backpack. Jeremy will grab that for us real quick. But folding stock that locks up good. You know, some folding stocks don't lock up very solid. This one does. This is the bottle version. So we had the Venom or the Mordax standard. Now you got the Mordax Venom. Shorter barrel. You're looking at an 8.5-inch barrel. 0 dB compact moderator comes with the gun. We topped it off with an old Leupold Mark AR scope that I had from my past that we dug out. Works great on this gun. You see on the bottle version, they put the booster on there. It helps give this a little bit more power. You're talking a regulated gun, semi-auto with the fun switch to go to full auto. Some basic things on this gun. The trigger is not adjustable. They adjusted this from the factory to be right at that point. So it's a decent trigger for a full auto and a semi-auto. It's a pretty good trigger. So to function in full auto, you cannot have the reg set any lower than 135 bar. So, and I think the instructions said don't go any lower than 110, no higher than 170, I believe, in the manual. So, same magazine as the Sidewinder compacts. You have your power adjustment here. Counterclockwise will increase your power. Then you have your regulator up front. Western highly recommends do not adjust the regulator. Just leave it alone. But we're all guys. We love our shoot, and we're going to tinker. So that's where your regulator adjustment is there. Power and accuracy on this little guy for being at 8.5-inch barrel, it's doing pretty good. Our 44.75s, I think we're right around 30.
38, 36 foot-pounds.
38. These guys have already tested it. Jeremy's tested this. We're going to do a couple other guns, hopefully yet today. So Jeremy be chiming in on his experience with the guns. So I mean, for a little compact, fairly quiet, insanely accurate at 50 yards for an 8.5-inch barrel. Even in full auto mode, it's holding it down there really well. So when we get out in the shooting shack, we're going to put a bipod on it. We've got a range camera that will get set up on target so you can see everything. My video guy will put that in a thumbnail on the video so everybody can see it. So, so far, we're liking what we see. This isn't really a review, but we're just kind of go over the basic functions and everything, see what everybody likes about it. Also, what I just noticed too, and I forgot, open sights. So if you don't have a scope or don't want to use scope, you got open sights.
They're more for pistol, however, though, configuration. If you're to try to get your cheek down on that buttstock to use the open sights, you have to have a very small head.
You know us guys, we all have big heads, so we're good. So Jeremy, you want to get a little feedback on your shooting with it real quick?
Yeah,
before we go?
50 yards, semi-auto, able to put a 3-round group that produced a clover. So very, very impressed with that out of a semi-auto trigger. Did not expect that. Power-wise, seems to be doing very well. Full auto, was very surprised by the group I was able to hold at 50.
Yeah.
Say about a 4 or 5-inch circle or so, which on full autos, not too bad.
Right. And Kevin was the same way. Kevin was impressed on full auto, how well it shot down there. So
shot count seems to be really good. Got about 3 mags out of it. So about 36 shots, which is what the manual says.
Okay.
So yeah, overall, a really, really decent gun. I think it'd be great for anybody that wants to get into pesting or woods walking. 22 cal. You said it goes up to what, 11 foot-pounds at the lowest end. So you can really turn it down.
okay, yeah.
So, yeah, great little compact setup.
All right. Well, we're going to break here, and we will get out the shooting shack, and we'll get some shots fired down range, get a target. We'll have a chronograph set up so you guys see everything at one time. We're not going to be editing this out and making it look good. We're going to show you real world what it does. So we'll be right back here in a few minutes, and we'll get out and shooting shack. Thank you. Hey, everybody. We're out here in the shooting shack with the new Western Airguns Mordax Venom 30 cal. Jeremy's going to take my spot here in just a second. He's going to go through loading the magazine, putting the magazine in. Our range camera wasn't working the best, so we're using a phone. So hopefully all that comes together. We got the FX True Ballistics chronograph here. So we've got all the numbers right there. You should be able to hear it on video as it rings out the speed. So I think the one thing I forgot to mention in the inside when we're going over this, it is a barrel made here in the USA. It is a sub MOA barrel. So that is leading to the accuracy of this gun. So like we said, so far we've been really impressed. I'm going to let Jeremy jump in here and he's going to run it through its paces. I'm just going to tell him to run it until it hits the reg.
Do you have a chronograph app?
Yeah. So apparently I got to get the chronograph app up real quick. So this will probably be a little editing here real quick.
Recording.
So we're going to probably pause here real quick. I'll make sure I get the chronograph app up real quick so you guys can hear everything. Actually, I'll try to turn the camera. Maybe we can get that. It'll be on camera at the same time too. So we'll pause this real quick. We'll let this get set up and we'll be right back.
Hey everybody, Jeremy here at HPP. We're out here with the Western Mordax Venom. We got the chronograph set up. We got a camera down range. Show you how to load it here. You got your 12 round mag, rotary mags. I believe they're the same ones that are used in the Sidewinder. Yep. Pull the plate off of it, load it like so.
Head first.
Head first always. Get those 12 in, put your back plate on. Make sure the lever's forward. You rotate it in, then pull back on the lever and up. And it locks it into place. Safety is on the left side of the gun here. Put it on semi. Take a few shots here.
$608, $609, $610, $608, $605.
We're just shooting for group here. Sounds a little bit louder because we're inside the window with the barrel here. So real world outdoor situation, it's not quite as loud as what it sounds like right now.
$595.
I'll try it on full auto.
You're full auto.
Top our mag off real quick. All right, portion of the video that I know you're all waiting to see. We're going to switch the selector here to full auto.
Otherwise known as fun.
The fun switch. Go off of the 30-yard raccoon plate here. Or should we go to the 50?
Do the 50.
Do the 50? All right, we'll do the 50.
Different target from your group.
Yep.
601.
Pretty fast rate of fire. All righty.